Our journey began at the Wawa Terminal, where we meet Kuya Lito Sanchez, a local tricycle driver. He drove us as far as Sitio Lagyo, the farthest a tricycle can go. From there, we walked 15 to 20 minutes up an unpaved, dangerous trail with no signs, no distance markers, and a narrow path beside a cliff. It quickly became clear. This trail is not safe for regular access, especially for the locals who use it daily. This path isn't just used by visitors. It's the everyday route for residents, including children and elders. There's no alternative. Despite the presence of a small resort near the spring, the lack of infrastructure poses serious limitations. Tourism here has potential, but growth is restrained by poor accessibility, lack of innovation, and zero formal development. This brings us to why we choose SDG 9, industry, innovation, and infrastructure as the most suitable development goal for this area. SDG 9 promotes building resilient infrastructure, supporting sustainable industrialization, and fostering innovation. In El Rancho, all three are lacking, and yet, all three are essential. Infrastructure. The road from Sitio Lagyo to El Rancho is unsafe. With proper paving, signage, and safety features like handrails or guardrails, we can improve access not only for tourists, but more importantly for locals. Innovation. Sustainable and eco-friendly design solutions like reinforced footpaths, solar-powered lights, or guided trail apps can enhance the visitor experience while minimizing environmental impact. Industry. Better access encourages tourism, and with it, local jobs like tricycle drivers, guides, vendors, and more. If properly managed, this can build a sustainable economy around the natural asset of the region. To apply SDG 9 in El Rancho, we start small but smart. Number 1, community collaboration. Work with residents and local government units or LGUs to plan safe, inclusive, and environmentally sensitive infrastructure projects. 2, government prioritization. Advocate for allocation of budget and resources to develop road systems and public safety features. 3, public-private partnership. Resorts and tourism business can invest in shared infrastructure like signage, trail improvements, and maintenance. 4, technology use. Introduce affordable innovations like real-time trail mapping apps or local tourism websites to guide visitors safely. This isn't just about building roads. It's about building a system that empowers the community, support tourism, and protect lives. Without proper infrastructure, destinations like El Rancho face limited growth, safety risks, and environmental strain. By implementing SDG 9, we help create safe and inclusive access for locals and tourists, sustainable economic opportunities for the community, resilient systems that withstand both natural and human pressures. In short, we paved the way, literally and figuratively, for sustainable progress. El Rancho Trail may seem remote, but it's full of potential. Let's not allow beauty to hide neglect. Let's make this destination not just accessible, but sustainable, safe, and thriving through industry, innovation, and infrastructure.